When I think of people and sharks in the ocean together, here's what often comes to mind: heart-pounding moments of danger and fear, captured in videos like these. Images of sharks attacking unsuspecting swimmers, the relentless pursuit, and the primal fear that grips us all. It's a narrative that has dominated our perception of these majestic creatures for years. But what if I told you that new research has surfaced, shattering this preconceived notion, that the truth might be quite different from what we've come to believe? Today, we dive beneath the surface to discover a hidden world of surprising revelations. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the remarkable findings of a recent study conducted by researchers at California State University in Long Beach. Over a 2-year period, the Shark Lab surveyed 26 different Southern California beaches. They utilized over 1,600 drone flights, covering vast stretches of coastline, to track the movements of juvenile white sharks and their interactions with humans. In the more than 700 hours of footage amassed, something astonishing was discovered. Contrary to popular belief, sharks and humans were found to coexist more frequently than we realized. The study revealed that in locations where sharks frequently gathered, they swam near humans on 97% of the surveyed days. Surfers and stand-up paddleboarders often found themselves within 50 yards of these majestic creatures, completely unaware of their presence. And remarkably, not a single shark bite was reported in any of these encounters. The study suggests that these young white sharks, despite growing up to 9 feet long, are more focused on their natural prey, such as stingrays. They might even be afraid of humans. Additionally, the researchers speculate that the abundance of food and the absence of larger adult sharks in certain coastal areas contribute to the juvenile sharks congregations. It's important to note that shark attacks on humans are extremely rare. In 2022, there were only 41 unprovoked bites reported in the entire United States. Yet public perception of the risk remains high, due to limited data on how often sharks and humans come into close proximity. Thank you for watching The Curious Collective. Please subscribe.